Wow, beautiful, sexy. I would love to see you naked.
If you really want to see me naked, you should go here in our country. I'm all yours. I go here in the Philippines.
Can I get some glimpse for what's in store for me, please?
Do you want to see me dance?
What's that again? Fucking internet. Damn. Bad connection. Why?
Do you still see?
Hello? That.
We have a bad internet connection here eh. Steve,
Yeah, hard connecting with you there. I wasn't able to see your beautiful body. Connection sucks.
isn't it exciting? You only see my body little by little. I told you should schedule a flight here. So you can see me, you can even touch me. And also, if you go here, you will witness the Filipino hospitality from me and the 7,107 islands of the Philippines. And I will let you witness the beautiful beaches in Boracay, the white sand, the very famous white sand, and Palawan. Also, when you go here, I will let you meet my family and we'll sleep in posh hotels. There are so many beautiful places here. Yes, beautiful places, beautiful. Beautiful, maganda, just like me.
Maganda.
Also, I have a beautiful body.
You're beautiful. I want to have you, my princess. I will do anything to have you with me.
Really? Anything? Love? We have a project.
Project?
Yeah, a new project, a major project, and I need a laptop. I need a laptop.
What? But I sent you money last week for another
it's
project.
a different project. This one, it's a major project, and I really need a laptop. So important.
Really? Now?
Why, you don't believe me? You think I'm lying? Wow. Just wow.
No. Please. I do believe you, my princess. I'm only confused. Anyway, I'm sorry. I truly am.
You should be. I'm hurt. If you really love me, and if you're really sorry, you will send money so I can buy laptop. Send the money now. I want a laptop. I want a branded one.
Everything comes with a price. I will wire you the money later. Anyway, can I see something in return?
I want to see something. I will show you something if you send the money. Okay? So send the money first. Wait, just stay there, okay? Just do something.
What?
Stay there.
Hoy! Gago ka! Nakita kita sinisilipan mo yung anak ko! Ano naman sa'yo sa akin? Lahat! 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 Kaya pag gagawin mo sa akin? Hinahanap ko lang Wag mo! Gawin tanga! Anong hinahanap mo? Pugi!
What the hell is that? Are they fighting?
Tatawagin ka! Sabi ka naman hindi ka Sabi ka na! Hoy, Wilpa! Bumaba ka para kumain! Ikaw halika dito! Iya ka talaga!
What the hell is that? Are they fighting?
Oh, it's nothing. They're just happy. almost done. Ay, love. If you go here in our country, I'll prepare breakfast for you. I promise that. How do I look? Just... Maganda? Still beautiful? Okay. Let's go. Yes. We'll now eat. Hello. Ah.
Ganyan naman talaga kayo eh. Pagkatapos makuwang lang, iwan. Nakikinig ako. Tumigil ka na. Hindi na lang, bata pa niyo ako. Isa na parang maalis yung galit. Isa lang. Ayan. Okay yun. Okay na tayo maglaro.
Let's eat.
Andiyan ang anak ko. Kaaga-aga ng bibisi.
Here in the Philippines, we have rice terraces, volcanoes, chocolate hills. I'm sure you'll enjoy. Plus, I will let you taste delicious foods like adobo, sinigang, my favorite dinuguan. I will let you taste delicious food so you won't leave me. Oh, ipapatikit ko sa lahat.
The four police officers from Caloocan are now facing charges for murdering Kian De Los Santos, the 17-year-old student who was killed in an anti-illegal drugs operation on August 16, 2017. CCTV footage showed that the policeman drugged the boy before he was shot to his death in a fatal position. However, the policeman claimed that Kian's a drug runner who fought back that made them shoot him. The said incident fueled public outrage both locally and internationally, calling it as a human rights violation and murderous act by uniformed men.
Wow, this is actually happening now? Poor child.
No, you know, love, our president, he's having a fight war on drugs, you know. The kid over there, in the news, he's a drug addict. He deserves to die. For me, it's okay because it's much more safer to walk on the streets, even if you're alone, at night. So, it's all good. Don't mind the news. It's just, it's overrated. So, it looks like, so, something like that. Anyway, I should go. Ma?
Oh,
Alis na ako.
sige, ingat ka. Huwag magpapagabi ha. Sabi mga adik.
Pabili po.
Ma, may bibili. Sandali lang.
Okay si Wilma. Wilma, ang sexy mo ngayon ha. Maligaw ka kaya sa akin.
Pare, huwag hindi ka sa akin yan eh. Uy, sinigil nga kayo mamaya. Bukit tayo ni Parang Gilbert.
Ay, si paring Gilbert. Pag tinutuon.
Ano ba? Mga buwa ka nang inatong
Are you alright, Wilma? What
Maghanap kayo ng
happened?
trabaho para mag-imbis
Hey,
kayo sa mga buhay
hello?
nyo.
What happened
Mga
there?
manyak.
Nag-aaral
Are you
sa
okay?
sexy, Uy,
Are you okay
hindi ka ba
there?
natitiligan? Sino ba kawasan mo bago pa yan? Foreigner
Hello?
pa yan? Huwag ka nabigayan, uy.
Parang gago eh. Parang! Tricycle! Excuse me.
Wilma,
Sabay
I can't
tayo.
hear you anymore. Hello? Can't hear you.
kami dito sa kaliwa, kaliwa. Ate, oh. Pausok na lang po, ate.
Bayad po.
Pausok na lang po dyan, oh.
So stressful. No, there are two weathers here in the Philippines. The wet and the dry season. Ma,
Kid?
huh?
What's the man passing around?
Don't worry about them. They are entertaining the passengers with.
Yo, yung kami masasamang tao. Hingi kami ng kaunting tulong. Kasi
See?
kami nakakain.
Fine, they're just entertaining the passengers. They want to get extra.
Kaunting tulong lang.
His wheel? What the hell is that?
Putang ina, may pulis! Bisa mo! Kumana ka! Kana! Puta! Putang ina!
Ah, scared me.
Tabi! Putang ina!
Go on. This is happening now.
Sir! Walang po, sir! Ano mo pinahirapan mo kami, sir? Ha? Sir po! Bakit ka pa? Ha? Tumaming ka na, putang ina, ate ka! Sir! Nagnakaw ka para magtulungan ka, di ba? Boses mo. Sir, wala lang ako makain. Sir, wala lang makain. Sir, kaya nagnakaw. Nagdaw ka! Sir, wala lang makain. Sir, wala, hindi ako nagdroga, sir. Sir, hindi ako. Wala tayo. Halika na at ating salubungin.
Hoy! Pakibalik nga sa akin yung phone kung hawak mong hayop kang magnanakaw ka.
Ay ma'am, pulis po to. Nakuha na po namin yung phone nyo mula sa magnanakaw na adik.
Ay, ganun po ba? Ako, sorry sir. Si Wilma po ito, yung may-ari po ng phone.
Opo.
Sir, baka naman pwedeng mabalik na po sa akin yung phone.
No problem po, Miss Wilma. Gamitin muna po namin yung phone mo bilang ebidensya. Maaari ka pong pumunta sa presinto namin at hanapin ako. SPO trigger rin po.
Sige po sir, salamat po.
Walang naman po, salamat sa pagtiwala sa inyong kapulisan.
Halika na at ating salubungin bagong umaga sa magagandang isla. Yes, it's my Philippines na puno ng saya. Tunay na maganda ang dalagang Pilipina, puno ng sigla.